Hey guys, I just wanted to say, no, I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna talk about mustaches in this video. Yeah, mustaches. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my mustache things. Okay, I'm back. I know I have more stuff, but here's a couple of things. Have my glasses. I'm gonna keep these on. My duct tape. Bracelet. Respect the stash. Don't mess with the stash. And socks. Yeah. So, if you guys got any mustache related items, make a video. Show me.